Hi, this is Ilya here. Today I would like to talk about Firebase notification service. So this is the notification service that enables companies or the developers to deliver notifications messages to the application, to the end user. So there's two ways to set up this, through the automatic way and which requires Android Studio or manually. And today I would like to show you how to do it with the Android Studio. So let's go to the Android Studio. As we see here, we are right here, and to start we need to do Tools and Firebase, and then after this it will say Cloud Messaging, and we click Learn More. Oh, here we go. Okay, so set up Firebase Cloud Messaging, and then we click that, and then first step is to connect to your Firebase. There's a link. You just follow the link, sign into your messaging service, and this will sign into your Google account, and this will include a file into Gradle, couple of lines of code into Gradle build Gradle. And second step would be to add FCM to your app. This link will download the special file which will enable the FCM to be added into your project. And after everything is done, it will say connected, and then we can start the third step. So the third step is to get the token. So this is the token which this is the unique token every time you install the application on the phone. So in order to get that, we have to create a class called whatever we want to call, but it needs to extend Firebase instance service. Then I already did that, and I can just copy and paste this. We can just this, include this, and then we don't need this. This is for the server. And then we have to copy and paste that one into a Android manifest, and as we can see, I have already done this. So fourth step is to copy and paste this part. This is when the notification is being received. So we copy this, and we have to create the class which will extend Firebase messaging service. I have already done that. It is right here. I can just paste this here. Fix import things. We don't even need actually these things. We can just, for the testing purposes, we can just comment those things out. And this is a function I have created, and as the name says, this function is the function to show the notification on the notification tray. So only thing I have to do, I have to place this function call in here. So as soon as a message we will receive, we will show it on the tray. We will include everything we need. We have import, not include, and then we can import this. Okay, we are done this part, and then we don't have to forget that we need the service here. So we can copy this into our manifest file, and I have already have it. I just changed the name. We just have to change the name, and that's pretty much it. Now, since we are done here, we can just fire the thing up. So there we go. And I'm using my emulator to do this. And as soon as, okay, here we go. It is running. Now we can just close the application, and go to here. This is a console for the Firebase messaging service, and we can just click new notifications, say the word we want to say hi message text, are you there, and then here have hello. Yeah, so now we just choose the application we want to send a notification to, which is Firebase notification, and we can just push now. And as we push, the thing arrives here. We can see here that we have hi, are you there? So that was it. It is a pretty easy implementation. It's easy, but I think it's very powerful, and it has a lot of potential. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.